Hello, my name is Sid from Anchor Vans. Today we've got this 73 plate Ford Transit Custom MSRT edition. It's a short wheelbase van with a low roof height. Here's a crew cab. So it comes with 2 seats in the front and 3 more just behind. It's got ply-lined walls in the back. It's packed with features such as adaptive cruise control, power folding heated mirrors, Apple CarPlay. So you've got the MSRT styling all over the outside. You've got the MSRT wheel as well. You've got these Alcantara and leather seats with the embossing and the blue stitching. It does have a reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors. For more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.